here. I'm answering another online question, this one about balsamic caviar. We've used it on the show. You want to know what it is? I'm going to show you. We're going to make pomegranate caviar, and it's simple and easy to do. We're going to take 1 quart of chilled olive oil. Then I'm going to take one of these great plastic squeeze bottles, and I'm going to mix in it 4 teaspoons of plain gelatin powder with 3 tablespoons of cold water, and this is to soften the gel. Then I'm going to take pomegranate juice and I'm going to heat it up over the stovetop. Once it's heated, I'm going to pour it back in the plastic squeeze bottle. Then I'm going to take the olive oil and set it in a container over an ice bath, and I'm going to plop the ingredients in the squeeze bottle into the olive oil. And this is what makes it look like caviar. Strain it from the oil and voila, you're finished. It's fabulous and it's fun to do. Enjoy.